Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video we will learn how to make a simple weather station using the ESP8266-12E chip, a DST11 sensor and a SSD1306 OLED display. The given circuit diagram features a ESP12E ESP8266 module interfaced with a DST11 temperature and humidity sensor and a SSD1306 OLED display. The ESP12E is powered by a 3.3 volt supply with multiple pull-up resistors 10 kΩ used for stable operation. A reset button SW1 is connected to the reset pin with a pull-up resistor to ground it when pressed. Similarly, a flash button SW2 is connected to GPIO 0 with another pull-up resistor, enabling the module to enter programming mode when held during power up. The DST11 sensor is connected by its data pin to GPIO 12 of the ESP12E with a pull-up resistor, ensuring reliable communication. The SSD1306 OLED display is interfaced using the I2C protocol with SCL on GPIO 5 and SDA on GPIO 4, allowing for efficient data transmission. The circuit is designed for a weather station application where the ESP12E reads temperature and humidity from the DST11 sensor and displays the information on the OLED screen. The given Arduino code is designed to create a simple weather station using a ESP12E, ESP8266-12E, a DST11 temperature and humidity sensor, and a SSD1306 OLED display. The code utilizes the wire library for I2C communication, the Adafruit, GFX and SSD1306 libraries for OLED display control, and the DHT library for reading sensor data. In the setup function, the OLED display is initialized using display.begin. If initialization fails, the program enters a infinite loop to prevent further execution. The DST11 sensor is also initialized using DST.begin and the display is cleared using display.clearDisplay. In the loop function, the temperature and humidity readings are obtained using DST.readTemperature and DST.readHumidity respectively. If either of these values is none, not a number, due to a sensor read failure, the function exists without updating the display. If valid readings are obtained, then the display is cleared and the text current weather is displayed at the top. The temperature is displayed in Celsius with a temp level while the humidity is displayed with a hum level. The display.display function updates the OLED with the new data. A 2-second delay, delayed 2000, ensures the sensor readings are updated at regular intervals. This code effectively monitors real-time temperature and humidity and presents the data on the OLED screen, making it a compact and efficient weather station project using the ESP8266-12E chip. Now we will use a USB to TTL converter to program the ESP8266-12E chip. Connect the USB to TTL converter and a external 3.3 volt power supply to the ESP8266-12E chip according to the circuit diagram displayed on the screen. Now open the Arduino IDE. After opening the Arduino IDE, install the Adafruit, GFX, Adafruit SSD1306 and DHT sensor libraries. As you can see, I have already installed all the required libraries. Next, connect the USB to TTL converter to the PC. After connecting, open the code file, which you can download from the link provided in the description. Once the file is open, select the correct settings under the Tools menu. After selecting all the settings, click the Upload button in the Arduino IDE to upload the code to the ESP8266-12E chip. After some time, you will see connecting in the Arduino IDE. Now press and hold the flash push button and at the same time press the reset button After this, you will see that the code starts uploading to the ESP8266-12E chip. If you do not know how to add the ESP8266-12E chip to the Arduino IDE or how to program it using a USB to TTL converter, then you can watch our detailed tutorial by clicking the I button. Now connect all the components together according to the main circuit diagram that we discussed at the beginning of this tutorial. Now you can see the temperature and humidity values on the OLED display. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more interesting tutorials.